Hello traders, how are you all doing? I hope you're doing very well, and I hope that your trading week was just great. So as you saw from the description for this video, I'm down for 30 pips, but there is just a little bit to it. So let's get started. So I will just go from the start. And I had only 4 trades on the 2nd of September, which, as you know, it was also Friday, a Friday that was with the NFP coming out. And let's start from Euro AUD. So Euro AUD was like slightly, it was break even. All right, so let's start the analysis how I saw this trade coming on. So from the 4 hour, you see that Euro AUD is going up. It has a good momentum. It's giving us a higher higher lows and higher highs. So basically it's an uptrend. So going to the 30-minute time frame, I try to catch, I always try to catch the last place where the sellers were. So looking at the 30-minute time frame, I didn't saw it. So we had the price coming down, giving us a pullback, then coming down again, giving another pullback, coming down again, and going straight up. Now you can say, well, this is the last place where the sellers were in control. Well, not for me. What I'm trying to do is, for me, the last place where sellers or buyers were in control, it is inside of the last push to the downside if it's a downtrend, or to the upside if it is a uptrend. So I went to the 5-minute time frame, and I saw this place right here. So you saw it's coming down. Then we had this red candle, which for me is the last attempt for the sellers, and a breakdown and the change of direction. So that was my place of interest. So eventually the price came to this place, started to go up really well, but came back down, and I'm trying to close all of the trades. If they didn't hit the take profit or the stop loss, I'm trying to close them like prior to like 2 to 3 hours before the day ends, with the time frame where I'm leaving. So so Euro AUD was like, let's call it a break even. Now this trade of Euro NZD, on the higher time frame, it was basically the same. You know that in most of the times Euro AUD and Euro NZD, they're correlating really well, and basically most of the times they're doing the same thing. So I just found this last place, as I told you before, of the sellers in control, and that was my place of interest. So this place right here, and when the price came down, retested, didn't break it, I decided that I will get in. But as you saw, it just crashed down. That happens. And 90 pips in minus. Then I had a really great trade on GBPJPY. The same, basically, the same structure. So the last place of the buyers, a breakdown, a retest. I got in, took my 30 pips, and done with that. There's basically nothing to tell much about this trade. Otherwise, that we're still in this high time frame downtrend. Like also we have this huge place of let's call it a range, and but you can basically trade here several times if you have of course if the structure is there. So 30 pips on that pair. And then I had also one trade on that's not it, like that. So Aussie CAD is uptrending for a long time, although it's also like GBP JPY in some sort of a range. So it's still going up for me on the higher time frame. The same exactly way to trade it. You're finding the last place of sellers in control and a retest, buy, and just taking the trade. So overall, if I would not token Euro NZD, it would be a great day, a great green day. But minus 30 pips. Am I worried? Absolutely not. There are two things to tell you. So the first thing is always stick to your plan. Everything that I did is with the plan that I have for my trading, so I'm not worried. More than that, as you saw, I'm trading 1-to-1. There's a reason for that. I'm not trading percentage, I'm trading volume. So I have a fixed volume that I'm trading, and I'm hunting pips, not percentage. I'm hunting pips. Yes, you can say that, let's say, oh, but you had two good trades, one break even and only one loss, you would be in a profit if you would trade with percentages. Yeah, that's also true, but I will tell you that basically it's the same. Sometimes you have the opposite when you're trading with percentage, and sometimes you have this negative result. Everybody will have a negative result when you're trading. You just have to live with that. It's okay. And now the second thing, which is basically very positive, I've ended the trading day in a break even, although I was in pips wise in a drawdown. Now the reason for that is that the volume for those two trades was much bigger than the volume of this huge, let's say in pips wise, drawdown. So basically I've ended like in a break even, very little loss. Like for me it's a break even. So that was the trading day. We're waiting for next week. I hope that we will have some good trades. Overall, in for the week, I'm very positive. So, I will just put this trading day to the NFP. Let's find someone to blame, and let it be the NFP, right? So that was the trading recap for Friday, the 2nd of September. I hope you liked the video, and see you next week. Thank you guys. Bye.